Welcome. If those little notification badges on your Snapchat app are driving you crazy, especially from random or less important alerts, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn off app icon badges for Snapchat's miscellaneous notifications so your home screen stays clean and distraction-free. Let's get straight into it. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. This is where all your system-level controls live, including how apps are allowed to notify you. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Apps and tap on it. This will open a full list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, look for Snapchat in the list and tap on it. This takes you to Snapchat's app-specific settings, where you can fine-tune how it behaves. Now, tap on Notifications. Here's where things get more detailed. You'll see different options for how Snapchat sends alerts. From there, tap on Notification Categories. This section breaks notifications down into types, giving you more control over what you want to see and what you don't. Scroll through the categories until you find Miscellaneous, then tap on it. This category usually includes less critical notifications that still trigger badges and alerts. Inside the Miscellaneous settings, look for the option labeled App Icon Badges. Once you see it, simply toggle it off. And that's it. From now on, those miscellaneous Snapchat notifications won't leave a badge on your app icon.